Hi, I know you're thinking to buy this course or not, and let me help you out. Now, this course have 4,000 satisfied students. 4,000. This is an 11 plus hour course with 79 skill-packed lectures. Let me dive into the details so that you really understand what you are buying. This is a 5-course bundle. You will be learning risk reversal, collar strategy, iron butterfly, strangle, and how to pick stocks for options trading. So this course is a bundle, one cost for 5 courses. I'll start the course from beginner stuff, example terms, BB details, what is calendar spread, option time spread, and then I will move to an advanced strategy of risk reversal. I will explain the usage, I will explain the examples, and I will explain it on chart. Now on chart you will understand, okay, this is how you'll be placing or you'll be selecting the strike prices. This is how you need to understand what to do if things go wrong. And that's not related to one strategy. I'll be doing it for all strategies. I'll be explaining you each and every stuff. Example, the timing. Example, the risk. I'll be moving on to live trades. Example, for risk reversal, I've selected CTSH, live trade. And I'll be doing the live trade so that you understand how to win and how to stop your losses. Then I will move to collar option strategy. I will explain it in detail. Example, what is collar option, what is stock and forex collar, and collar option example. I'll explain the examples and the what is stuff through PowerPoints. And I will explain the technical stuff on charts or on live trading platform. I've basically selected demo and live trading platform so that I can basically tell you to first try it on demo and then move on to live trading platform, because first you should brush up your skills, then you should move onward. After collar option strategy, we move to iron butterfly strategy, which is also known as iron fly. So I'll be discussing what is iron fly, what is long iron fly, and long iron fly example. I'll be discussing break-even points so that you understand how to basically have a break-even stuff. What is your break-even point? At what end you will lose nothing and you will come out unharmed. You will move down the course and you will be learning long and short iron fly on chart with examples. And again, you will be doing a live trade for short iron fly. I'll be showing you on chart how I selected the trade, how it went through, did I make money or did I lose money, so that you understand, okay, this is the risk, this is how you need to trade, this is what you need to do, so you can see the path in front of you. And then we will move to strangle option strategy. I'll explain long strangle, short strangle, what is it on examples, what should be the strike prices. I'll be explaining them again on charts. And then we will move to live trades for short strangle, long strangle, and then options stock pick course, how to basically pick options. So basically I'll be helping you learn each and every step. I'll be making sure that you become an expert at option trading. You learn the advanced strategies in one course so that at the end of the course, you're an expert trader. So what are you waiting for? Buy this course